Hello, welcome to Grammar with Master. The two present tenses, present simple vs present continuous. Today, we are going to talk about the differences between the two present tenses, present simple and present continuous. Look at their different forms. I walk, I'm walking. We work, we are walking. You walk, you are walking. They work, they are walking. He walks, he is walking. She works, she is walking. It works, it is walking. Present simple is used to express things that happen regularly or repeatedly. For example, she always drives her car carefully. Present continuous is used to express things that are happening at the moment of speaking. For example, she is driving her car carefully now. Present simple is used to express facts or things that are always true. For example, the sun rises in the east. Water freezes at -1 degree Celsius. Present continuous is used to express things that are happening right now. For example, the sun is rising. That means extremely hot now. The water is freezing. Present simple is used to express timetable or schedules. For example, the train leaves at 3:30 p.m. She starts work at 9 a.m. Present continuous is used to express the plan, near future. We have already known. For example, she's working in her office tomorrow, which means she has a plan to work there. Present simple is used with thinking and feeling verbs. Know, see, hear, forget, understand, think, remember, hate, want, prefer, need, etc. For example, I know him. I think she is interesting. Present continuous can't be used with thinking and feeling verbs like know, see, hear, forget, understand, think, remember, hate, want, prefer, need, etc. For example, I'm not knowing him is wrong. I'm thinking she's interesting is wrong. Hope you found this video useful to you. Remember to like and share our page. Thank you.